Want to buy SF Giants ticket? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily buy SF Giants tickets. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser and search for ticketmaster.com. Once you're in this official page of Ticketmaster, it will land you on this page. Scroll down and you'll get to see tons of different shows. But make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, select the location and the date of which you want the ticket of. After that, in the search bar, you need to search for SF Giants. Once you find the specific ticket, then click on it. It will be landing you on this page. Now in this page, scroll down and tons of different tickets of different dates will be available to you. From here, choose a specific one and tap on Find Tickets. It will land you on this page. Now in this page, you have to select the number of ticket you want to purchase and also set the price range. From here, choose a specific seat. Once selected, tap on Reserve Tickets at the bottom of the screen. After that, follow the on-screen process and pay the amount. Once paid, your ticket will be purchased. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.